Nahihilo talaga ako, as in. I feel dizziness. Hello, 1 viewers. 1 million viewers. Three million viewers. Charit. Charit lang po. I'm so serious, no? Serious work. For viewers, welcome back. I miss someone in my life. He's absent. I think this is too much. The pepper. Sino ba to? Here, for viewers, hello po. I just make 2 different salad and this one without anything, only just 2 items, 3 items. One viewers, hello. Thank you for always stand by. Can I know you? Can I know you guys? You know my like other the old people, like the year 1980s, 90s, 20s, they are saying, don't talk to stranger. Never talk to stranger. That's my grandmother said. But no, you can talk. Because if you are not talk to others, you cannot learn something. They cannot learn from you, and you cannot learn from them. I'm finished, so I'm go back to my work. I'm still cleaning this one only, and this one the other one. I'm go back to my mopping in the floor. So little bit, guys, I'm going to leave you because I want to finish my work before they come, and I want to rest 15 minutes before they come. Just I want to prepare everything, so I want to finish everything.